was really amazing for me. To me, it's one of the best forms of meditation, if you like, when you connect with your higher self and you're peeling those layers of who you are, which is really, it's not your nationality, it's not your age, it's not your country, it's something else, something more.
I did not come to the island for the rebirthing. I came to the island about 5 months ago and I've been doing yoga, trying to improve myself. Went to a session with Chandra and immediately just told her I was signing up for the workshop. The whole thing. I just knew immediately that it was a tool I needed in my arsenal for spiritual growth.
The most exciting part of the rebirthing was connecting with the light and going into the bliss. And the amazing thing about rebirthing for me is that this is a sacred moment, which is not mental understanding, but it's the knowing of your whole being what it is. You can't put it in words, and musicians put it in music, poets put it in poems, and it's love, it's unconditional love, all those words which we use, but you really feel it. And there's no question for you, you know suddenly what the death is, you have instant knowing what the birth is, and you feel fearless, you feel happy.
It's a face-to-face meeting with your soul, your purest form. Because in that form, it only knows one thing really, which is love, oneness, gratitude, peace. And when you're just one, it's the feeling everybody wants.